A very good morning, class 5 students. Today I'm going to teach you science. Okay, today day is Monday, date is 17/8/2020. Okay, science today chapter will be 11, pollution. In last class where I have taught you about different kind of pollution, what is the environment, what is the pollution. Yes or no, I have taught you about that. So we are going to continue with the same chapter. Did you get it? We are going to continue with the same chapter. And today's topic will be like this. Look here, students. Harmful effects of the air pollution. Number 2 point will be diseases caused by air pollution. Number 3 is water pollution, and number 4 will be harmful effect of water pollution. Okay, sorry, one mistake is there. Okay. Now another thing is that, students, today we are going to study about harmful effects of air pollution. Okay, so today we are going to start. Please take out a page number 92. Okay, so harmful effects of air pollution. So there are different kinds of pollution. There are different kind of effects which is caused by the air pollution. Okay, so harmful effects of air pollution is that air pollution has wide ranging effects. The most common ones are diseases. Yes, some are the diseases which are being caused by the air pollution. Did you get it? Because if you burn a wood, if you burn anything, then the black smoke comes out from that particular thing which is burning. Yes or no? The black smoke is not good for your health. If you smell over there, you can feel suffocated. You will not be able to breathe. Did you get it? So over here, some of diseases caused by the air pollution is that it causes several kinds of diseases which range from mid ones like irritations of eyes and skin to most serious respiration diseases like asthma. Okay, that means you will feel if you are staying near the smoke. Okay, after some time what you will feel that you will feel your eye will start having problem. Okay, your eyes will start having problem, and moreover you will not be able to breathe properly. Okay, that kind of problem you will face in the air pollution. Okay, you must have yourself suffer from effect of air pollutions sometimes or the other. Moving in area where there is a lot of industries or where there is a lot of vehicles causes us to cough or sneeze. Our eyes start to water, our nose begins to run. In extreme cases, we find it difficult to breathe and start gasping for breath. All this happens as air is full of pollutants from the vehicles of the factories and of fit for breathing. Now, yes, in the village, if you compare to the village side to the town area side, it is somewhat different. Okay, because the pollution which is created in the town side is much more than the village side. Did you get it? Because why? In the town side, in the city side, you can see big factories are there, and you can see a big chimneys are there. Yes, so big chimneys are there. From that big chimneys, what will happen is that the black smoke comes from that black smoke comes from the chimney, and that black smoke get mixed with the air present in the environment. Okay, so it spreads so fast that it goes everywhere in every places, and we people will feel suffocated, and we will not be able to, if you are very weak from inside, you will feel suffocated and you will not be able to breathe properly also. Okay, and moreover, if there is so much of the smoke will be there, your eyes started getting watering. That means your eyes will start paining, and moreover water comes from your eyes because it shows some kind of pollution in the air. Okay, so I want to repeat that the air pollution is the diseases is breathing problem will be there, your eye irritation will start. Okay, you will not be able to breathe properly. These are some of the diseases caused by the air pollution. Okay, so next, going to the next chapter, that is next topic, that is diseases caused by air pollution. I have already taught you now. Now what is water pollution? Now see, water is essential for life. The water has become polluted by various pollutants like sewage, garbage, washing clothes and bathing in rivers and ponds, industrial wastage, oil spit, insecticides and hot water. I want to say you is that water is the main sources for the pollution, because Whenever you see in the village side, whenever you see in anywhere, what happened is that the thing is that the people wash their clothes in the river. Yes or no? All things, all the materials which is being thrown out from the, all the waste material which is thrown out from the factory side, okay, it comes in the river, okay. And many of the people, what they do, they start bathing, start taking bath over there, and moreover the people start throwing the garbage in the river side, okay. So this makes the water very polluted, okay. And the animals, the things which are survived inside the water, they started getting suffocated and they will die also. And this is how the water is getting polluted by the people directly, indirectly, okay. Throwing the wastes in the water river, throwing the waste product of the factories through the pipe in the river, okay. Washing the clothes, okay, like especially women, what they do, they gather together and they gather together and they go to the rivers and they start washing the clothes. That soap, whatever the soap you are using, it is a chemical. Yes, it is mixed with so many kind of chemicals. So when it come contact with the river, with the water, then it get polluted, okay. You cannot drink the soap water. You can, yes, we cannot drink because it is it will not be able to drink. So same kind of things it happens with the living things which is present inside the water, and they get started suffocated and they started getting polluted. The water get polluted and they die also, okay. So now many factories are located near rivers, okay. They use lot of water. Liquid waste from these factories is drained into the river. The sewage is also disposed into rivers or sea. Water pollute affect aquatic life. Polluted river water is not fit for irrigation, crops, nor for drinking. It purifies from the town supply. There are oil draining plants near sea or oceans. About millions tons of oil are spilled into the oceans every year. In not only affect a sea life but also seashore life. The oil interferes with flight and swimming of the seabirds. Now see, if you have noticed, the big factories are always situated near the river side. Why they have done this one? Because it is very easy to get water from the river side, from the ocean side. Yes or no? You don't have to bring the water from so many parts of the places. Okay, so most of the factories are situated near the river side or near the ocean side, so that it will be comfortable for them to use that water. Okay, did you get it? So the main thing is that whatever the waste product is thrown away from the factories, whatever the oil is being thrown away from the factories and all, that comes contact with the water and it mixes with the water, and the aquatic animals or aquatic life, they get impacted, okay, and they die. This is how the water is being polluted. Now next topic is harmful effect of water pollution. Now we have learned about the air pollution, yes or no, harmful effect. Now we are going to study about the water pollution. What are the harmful effect of the water pollution, yes or no? So today we are going to study about harmful effect of the water pollution. So the thing is that harmful effect of water pollution is that diseases. During polluted or contaminated water can cause many different diseases. Chemical waste in the water can serious health problem. Untreated sewage and contaminated the water and cause diseases like dysentery, jaundice and typhoid. Yes, the main diseases which is being caused by the water pollution is that typhoid, dysentery and jaundice. These are the three more common diseases which is caused by the water pollution. If the water is being polluted, then you can have this kind of diseases in your body. And one thing I want to remind you is that the water is being taken from the river side, okay, but when it comes to the river side, from the river to the town side, there is one place, the particular place will be there where the water is being purified, and after purifying, that water will be sent in every parts of the houses, okay. So that was diseases and destroy aquatic life. Polluted water has a poisonous effect on aquatic life. Animals, fishes that live in water hard to survive and reproduce. Eating fish breathed into polluted water make us ill. The chemical from the factories killed aquatic plants that help in cleaning the rivers and sustain aquatic life. See, Now diseases destroy in aquatic life means that all the things, whatever the products, whatever the things which are being thrown by the people from the factories, by the peoples, through garbage, washing clothes, washing the animals and all, that water has been infected, and that infected water goes in the river side, in the ocean side, and the aquatic plants get infected and they die also. Okay, and we will not get a good quality of the water. So these are the things which you have to know in this particular topic. Okay, so today I have discussed these 4 topics. Hope you understand this one. In the next class, in the next video, I am going to teach you further for this chapter. Thank you so much, students.